नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका दिल्ली आईएएस में। दोस्तों, आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक ऑफ जीएस 2, दैट इज important international institutions, agency, fora, their structure and mandate. We will do very quick review of this topic, and we will take a eagle eye, bird eye view of this topic, so that easy understanding of the topic will develop, and we will be able to write a very good and effective answer writing. Okay, so it all starts with international institution and organization, important international institution, agency, fora, their structure and mandate. Okay, so first of all, important thing will come to our mind: what is difference between international institutions and agencies? Friends, basically, institutions and agencies, institutions are the group of countries, for any specific, wait a second. Yes, here, institutions, important international institutions are the group of country या intergovernmental organization for any specific purpose. Okay, or specific purpose, and these are agencies are the specialized bodies, specialized body to do a particular task. For example, here is very big example, like important international institution. Example of institution is this United Nations. Okay, United Nations. And example of agency is, for example, you can say World Health Organization, Food and Agriculture Organization. World Health Organization focus on health issue around the world, and Food and Agriculture Organization focus on hunger, as you can see in sustainable development goal. This goal number 2 is hunger, goal number 3 is good health and well-being. So these are agencies: WHO, FAO, and United Nations. It is intergovernmental organization for special purpose like peace and security, and economic and social development, and cooperation, trade, for this purpose. Okay, so this is major difference between international institution and agencies. Okay, now question comes to our mind: what are various important international institutions? For example, United Nations, and other are like peace and security related, economic related, and environmental related. Peace and security related, you can say United Nations Security Council. Okay, then peace related, International Atomic Energy Agency, yeah, Atom for Peace, Organization of Prohibition of Chemical Weapons, and CTBT, Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty. Although this is not implemented till now, and India is not its member, it is in process. Okay, Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty. So these are important international institution of peace and security related. Other is social related. For example, International Court of Justice, International Criminal Court, ठीक है, IOM, International Organization of Migration. I am not confirm about this full form of IOM. Please confirm and write in comment box. And then second is environmental organization, like United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, which focus on environment. Okay, then economic related, for example, World Trade Organization, which facilitates trade between different countries, and United Nations General Assembly, and Economic and Social Council. So these all are important national institutions. Now let us see agencies. Also, we have agencies like, as you can see, economic agency, environmental, peace and security. So peace and health related, like World Health Organization, Food and Agriculture Organization, and then International Labour Organization, UNESCO. Okay, then environmental related, like WMO, IMO, International Maritime Organization, World Meteorological Organization. And economy related, in economy finance related, like World Bank and IMF, International Monetary Fund. Okay, now you may think, what is difference between World Bank and IMF? So friend, difference is very clear. It is, World Bank is like a bank, which is whose main function is funding for developing and for funding for developing countries and for development projects. And IMF, International Monetary Fund, as name suggests, its main function is to oversee the different countries' monetary policy, and to maintain and just like recently Sri Lanka get fund from IMF. Okay, so for stable economy, to maintain stability in economy, change in monetary policy of different countries on the basis of requirement. Okay, monetary policy monitoring. So these are main function. Its main function is like a bank, like funding for development projects. Okay, other economic agency is like ITU, है ना, World Intellectual Property Organization. These are these bodies. Here we read about World Trade Organization. World Trade Organization deal with trade in goods and service plus intellectual property right related thing also. That's why I connected it with the World Intellectual Property Organization, because it is also related to intellectual property. Okay, now in agency, other thing is, okay, now these important international institution and agency, what constitutes their structure? Suppose any institute like UNFCCC or United Nations, if we will ask, if examiner will ask what is its structure or mandate, so structure consists mainly its number of member countries in that organization, and tenure, and where is its seat. Okay, these are the things. And next thing is, what is its mandate of international institution and agencies, their mandate. So their main mandate are mainly policy formulation and assisting countries and research and data collection. In policy formation, for example, regulation and facilitation. Okay, regulation and facilitation. And in assisting countries, for example, consultation, coordination, technology transfer, and resource and financial. For example, you can see here International Monetary Fund, it provides financial assistance. And coordination, for example, coordination and consultation, for example, World Trade Organization. Regulation and facilitation, for example, UNFCCC. And research and data collection, setting standards, for example, World Health Organization. Okay, which collect data related to health, disease, pandemic, and setting standards. Okay, so these are main mandates of these agencies and institutions. And what is this fora? Fora is basically plural form of forum, the international forum, for example, G7, G7, G20, World Economic Forum. So these are the place where conference take place, and discussion, debate on issues take place, and after that discussion, debate, consultation, we came to some conclusion and we form some agency. Okay, we means international institutions, intergovernmental organization, or different countries government, they form some agencies, and after agency they form some institution. So these are some forum or fora is basically primary step, basic steps which lead to formation of agency and institutions. Okay, so this was this topic of important international institutions, agency, fora, their structure and mandate. It is very important and it is part of GS2. Okay, so I hope you get some idea about this topic, and after watching this video it will be very 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 helpful for you, for your study of your daily newspaper or any other source, okay, for this topic. Okay friends, so this was the topic. I hope you like it, and if you like it, then please subscribe. It gives me motivation to make more better video. Okay, thank you.